Is a ductless mini-split heat pump a good choice for home remodeling projects? Actually, it might just be your best choice. A home renovation project is the perfect time to evaluate your home heating and cooling system, especially if you inherited your furnace or air conditioner when you bought your home. The last thing you want to do is add more workload to your existing heating and cooling system. Here are 7 reasons to consider a ductless system during your home remodeling project. 1. No ductwork? No problem. Ductless systems are a great way to heat and cool your home without having to install or extend your ductwork. 2. Save big money. They are ultra energy efficient and can save up to 50% on your monthly energy bill. 3. Just one unit does it all. A ductless heat pump can both heat and cool, so you'll enjoy year-round comfort. 4. Flexible in design. Ductless systems offer design options so they can be installed in just about any home. 5. Modern features, like advanced filtration, remote control, and an intelligent eye that sweeps the room. 6. Increase indoor air quality. Breathe easy because a ductless mini-split does not force air through dirty ductwork. 7. Rebates and incentives. You may qualify for rebates and incentives. If the 7 reasons aren't enough to convince you to switch to a ductless heat pump, here are a few more bonus reasons. Ductless heat pumps are extremely quiet, very efficient, and they give you complete control of the temperature in each room, so everyone in your home can be comfortable. Reasons for not considering a ductless heat pump for your next home renovation? None that we can think of. Just remember, make sure to find a qualified ductless contractor. You'll find them on the Ductless directory.